I get asked the question, why would somebody consider getting into the solar industry? The industry is expanding tremendously, whether you're in the residential, the commercial, or even the utility segment, and it's only going to increase further. Since 2014, there's been a 44% increase in the jobs. That's 76,000 jobs, one of the largest growth segments in the US. That's 5 times faster than the normal growth as well, and it's across the entire country. There's so many segments to get into, whether you're in the site surveying, the operations, the maintenance, you could be commissioning these sites as well. Renewable energy is exciting, and it's the way the world is moving. Maybe you just want to feel part of that revolution. It's incredible to get outside, work in the great outdoors, and work in those open spaces.